Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a step outside the typical beauty lane to explore something a little different, because sometimes beauty starts behind the scenes. I'm reviewing the Jabsco 34739 Series Flange Mount Blower. This is a 3-inch, 150 CFM air blower, often used in marine or industrial settings where efficient, high-volume ventilation is key. So what exactly is this product? It's a flange-mounted blower designed to be installed on flat surfaces. The housing is made of reinforced plastic, which gives it a lightweight yet durable build. It features a slip-on connection for the inlet ducting, which makes installation simpler and more secure. And importantly, it's constructed using corrosion-resistant materials throughout, which is crucial for performance in environments with moisture, salt, or chemicals. Now, obviously, this isn't your everyday beauty device, but it's relevant for professionals and creatives in the beauty world who work in high humidity environments, like salons or studios that require reliable ventilation for safety and comfort. I tested this in a workspace setup where consistent airflow is important for dissipating fumes from hair treatments and maintaining a comfortable temperature, especially when styling tools are constantly running. The performance? Solid. Once installed, the 150 CFM output delivered consistent airflow with noticeably reduced ambient heat and chemical buildup. It's not a silent machine by any means, but it's not loud enough to be disruptive, which matters in a setting where you might have clients or need to record content. The airflow is directional and steady, no sudden sputtering or drops, which can be a problem with cheaper alternatives. It's quick to mount and surprisingly compact considering the output. The plastic housing doesn't feel cheap. It's industrial-grade plastic, which adds to both longevity and corrosion resistance. I also appreciated the slip-on inlet design. It eliminated the need for fiddling with clamps or awkward ductwork alignment. That said, it's not perfect. First, the instructions are very minimal. If you're not familiar with ventilation systems or electrical wiring, you might need a little help setting it up. And second, while the blower is durable, the finish isn't exactly polished. It's utilitarian, which may not appeal to those looking for aesthetic harmony in a sleek beauty studio. Let's talk cost. Compared to similar flange-mounted blowers in the marine or industrial category, this one actually comes in at a reasonable price point for the quality. The materials and the steady output justify the investment. I wouldn't recommend this for someone just looking to boost air circulation in a small home space. It's overkill. But for professionals or salon owners, it holds its weight. If you're curious about alternatives, Atwood and Rule Industries make similar ventilation blowers. However, some have slightly less airflow capacity, or they're noisier and don't always use corrosion-resistant materials. That makes the Jabsco stand out in terms of balancing power, durability, and quiet performance. The build quality is clearly designed for longevity. The reinforced plastic isn't going to crack under temperature changes or vibration, and the anti-corrosive materials make this ideal for long-term use in high-moisture areas. Once mounted, you can expect it to last a long time without maintenance, which is a huge plus for salon owners or studio operators who want a reliable set-it-and-forget-it solution. Now, I didn't interact directly with Jabsco's customer service for this review, but the brand generally holds a strong reputation for producing durable marine-grade equipment with consistent user satisfaction. Their products are often used in more demanding settings, so there's a level of trust already baked into their reputation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and behind-the-scenes pros can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, if you're a beauty professional or content creator working in a high humidity or chemically active space and need reliable ventilation, the Jabsco 34739 series blower is absolutely worth considering. It's sturdy, efficient, and built for long-term use. However, if you're just looking for general airflow at home, this might be more machine than you need. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the description or comments below. If you've used this blower or a different setup for studio ventilation, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.